Did you miss me? I miss you guys so much. I've been out of the country, so I don't have access to make skincare products, but I'm back right now with varieties of lovely content. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making this very delicious Efo Riro. So this is a Nigerian meal and I'll be showing you how I made it. The recipe is quite simple. You'll be needing some protein. So in here I have chicken, I have goat meat, and I have beef, I have pomo, and that's cow skin, also some pepper, fish, crayfish, dry fish, iru, and that's locust beans, palm oil, and of course the vegetable. So let's get started. With some dry pot on a low heat, pour in 1/4 cup of palm oil and leave it for a while to steam. Please do not bleach this palm oil as we are making vegetable, so you need this palm oil to still retain the redness and its content. So the next thing is to turn in your pepper. So this pepper is just ordinary pepper and onion, and that's a blended mixture of locust beans, crayfish, and onion. Cover to cook for 5 minutes. Add some seasoning cubes and salt to taste, and cook again for about 5 minutes until it is totally dry. So when I say totally dry, I mean you should cook properly until it is well cooked and there is no form of water in it. So you have the oil coming out, then you should add your cooked proteins. Go ahead to add whatever you have. So in here I'm using pomo, beef, chicken, cow leg, and dry fish. So lastly I'm adding the meat stock, then I'll cover, stir very well, then cover to cook for another 5 minutes. So now just drop in the fish to avoid shredding in the soup. So I don't want the fish bones in my soup, so I'm just going to carefully place the fish and remove it afterwards before adding the vegetable. So right now I'm just going to cover to steam for a while. So now it's time to add my vegetables in it. So you can see that the fish is out. So now I'll just go ahead to turn to properly mix the vegetable in the stew and allow to cook for another 5 minutes. To incorporate this, my vegetable is elemi meje, like really good. You need to taste this, you need to feel the aroma. Wow. Okay guys, so I'll just add in my locust beans and crayfish. I want it to be crunchy, so I just drop in my fish again and I'm going to leave it for some seconds to steam. Guys, this is so delicious. So food done. Go ahead to eat this with some rice or semo, pando, any type of food. You can even eat it with yam. This Efo Riro is elemi meje, so delicious. Guys, bring your plate. Food done. Will you be trying this? If you'll be trying this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I know you love it. Thank you for watching. I know you love it. Do well to subscribe to my channel so you get notified each time I make an upload, and do well to share with your friends so they can use this recipe as well. See you in my next video. Bye.